Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what trades I think are good to be taking. I'm going to show you my $101,000 trade on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the trades that are opened on Dogecoin and Ethereum, both in the profits yesterday. Make sure you follow my Telegram group. I've got a new alerts Telegram group where I'm sharing my trades in there, which have been pumping. Hit the subscribe button, join more than 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and don't forget, all of you, comment on every video down below. My team is picking 5 winners every month from the comment sections. $200 given away each person every month, so around $1,000 given away every month. Let's jump into the technicals. You're an amazing community. Keep learning, keep growing. Now, we're going into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking very beautiful actually on all time frames. So on the weekly, the stochastic very oversold. That's the time to be buying, as I teach you in the crypto master course. When you're up here, that's the time to be selling, like we were on November 11th. As you can see, that was the all-time high when I called the top. When you're down below the dotted lines on the stochastic, that's the time to be buying. So in my opinion, I've been buying down here. On the daily, stochastic also oversold, heading up with a lot of volume coming in, very bullish. On the 4-hourly, stochastic oversold, heading up, also very bullish. We've got an inverse, we've got a nice pattern forming here. Something like I'm seeing this here. We bounced off the weekly and the daily. We're kind of in an ascending channel right now. There's a few bullish, it looks very bullish, the charts here. We're on this ascending channel. If we can move up now, the target would actually be the top of this channel, 22,450, which is beautiful. And I made a trade earlier today. You can see this is that Bitcoin trade. It looks small, but it's actually quite a big movement. Stochastic is heading up very strongly. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side. RSI is also heading up. In my opinion, we're going to be heading up here. EMA ribbons, we're coming into the EMA ribbons. We usually get rejected from them though, so let's see if we get, most likely we'll break through though towards that 22k. On the VPVR, we've got a big support where we're sitting right now. The strongest is at 20k now. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the crypto master course, has flipped to a buy. Look at that, it flipped to a buy, which is very interesting. We're coming up to that 200 weekly moving average, and everyone, when you look at that blue line, you can see every time in the bull market, every time the bear market hit, we bounced. In 2019, we bounced off that 200 weekly EMA. In 2020 March, we bounced off it, and right now we're trying to get back into it. Let's see if the weekly, we have 3 days to close back above it. On the hourly, we're in this channel that I talked about. It's looking very bullish. We're also making a small W formation here that if we break out, the target will be the base of the W, which would take us to 21,400. On the hourly, stochastic though is overbought, so we can have a bit of a pullback before continuing up. And in my opinion, I would take this trade on Bitcoin. Let's go into the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, the stochastic is also resetting. But in my opinion, it's looking bullish. It looks like it's coiling up here. Stochastic, though, on the 15 minutes is heading down. So, and RSI is also, let's check the RSI. RSI is also heading down, so we're getting a little bit of a pullback, but I think it would just be a small pullback before a big movement. Where I would set the trade is I would take this trade right here. I'd set the stop loss below the daily, and I'd set the take profit above the 200 moving weekly average. This is a very nice risk to reward ratio trade. Now, I show these trades also in my Telegram group. You can see here, and in the Telegram group, we've been doing amazing. This is the trade that I talked about on Dogecoin. I upped the trade. If you followed my trades, so these are my trades right now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me and all the audience do, in the description of the video, you'll see the link to Bybit. If you sign up using that link, you get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. You have to use that link down below, this partner.bybit.com/buyalts. If you use that link, you get that $4,800 bonus. And Bybit is the best exchange. It's very high liquidity. It never got hacked. I know the founders. It's a very secure exchange using that link. And this is the trades I have open on Bybit right now. I've got a $101,000 trade on Bitcoin here, $101,806. It's up $2,074 in the profits. It's a 5 Bitcoin trade. I've got an Ethereum trade up 18%, $37 in profits, a pullback from yesterday. And I've got this Dogecoin trade up 175%. This was a very nice trade, which I shared. All of these trades have been shared in the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description. This Doge trade is up 169%. I moved the take profit of the Doge to 68 cents. So 68 cents, 0.068 cents. That's what I announced here. So these are the trades you can see, and I announced this Doge trade. So this was the Doge trade that I talked about here. Okay, further up there was a Doge trade, and I said that today. I said that I would move the Doge. By the way, I moved the Doge trade. I moved the take profit higher to 68 cents because I think it's going to have a big run, which is beautiful. For Bitcoin, if you haven't opened a trade yet over on Bybit, I would be opening a trade like this. And when you see my trades, this is how they always are set up. The top of the trade is the take profit. The white line is where the trade opens, and the bottom is the stop loss. And I'm going to show you how to set that up on Bybit. So that's where I would open the next Bitcoin trade. If you haven't yet opened a Bitcoin trade, I would expect Bitcoin to pull back a little bit here, bounce off that channel, and then move up to this 22,800. This is the trade I would take. So I'd open the trade at 20,345. Stop loss will be at 19,775, and take profit will be at 22,600. And that's a really nice, that's a 4 ratio trade. For every $1,000 I risk, $4,000 gain. And so I'm risking $570 to make $2,300 unleveraged. If I do 10x leverage, that's $23,000 of profits, which is a beautiful trade. And now I'm going to show you how to set this trade up. So I'd open the trade at 20,345. So I'd go here onto, I've already got Bitcoin trade open. You can see this $108,000 trade, which is up $2,200 in the profits right now. And this Doge trade, 342. If Doge hits the new take profit, which is at 0.068, it will make $869 profit, which is beautiful. But if you haven't yet set up a Bitcoin trade, I would be opening the trade as I just said. So I would open at 20,300. That's where I would open the trade, the middle. Wait till it just loads, 1 second. 20,000. So here is where I would open the trade. This middle bit, 20,345. 345. Stop 345. I would do you have to always do max, so never risk more than 2% of your capital. But say for me, I would do $1,000 trade with 9x leverage. It would be a $9,000 trade. The take profit I would set at I'd be setting at that top of the channel, 22,654, and the stop loss 19,700. So 22,654, and stop loss will be at 19,775. 19,775. This is how I take the trade. So I'm risking $252 to make $1,000. That's a beautiful trade, 5-to-1 ratio trade. And then I would just click confirm, and that's how I would open the trade. But I'm not taking, because I've already got the trade open. But that's how I would take the trade on Bitcoin. I'll share that trade in the Telegram group here. I'll post it inside this Telegram group, so you'll all see it in just a minute. I'm going to share. I always share all my trades in here. The link to the Telegram group is also in the description. James Live Trades. You can see the Telegram link is down there. And again, to sign up to Bybit to start trading, let's check out Ethereum. And Dogecoin is also going to go on a run, which is beautiful. The stock market is looking like it's going to open in the positive as well, which is a good thing. Let's look at Ethereum, and then let's look at, so quickly, Ethereum looking bullish on the daily. It's trying to recover back into that weekly support. On the 4-hourly, it's heading up, and it looks like it's curving up with a bullish. It's looking very bullish. This is a bull flag, everyone. So Paul flag. This is a big movement that we're going to see with Ethereum if this can break out, which is beautiful. That Ethereum trade is already in the positive. The target is 1,284. On the hourly, it's going to have a little bit of a correction before going for that movement. Where I would open the Ethereum trade right now, if you haven't opened a trade, I would set it like this. So the open of the trade would be here. Stop loss below the daily support. Take profit will be at that target, 1,200. So that's risking, it's a 2.59 ratio trade. Risking every $50 risk, I'd make $130, or with 10x leverage, will be 110% profit. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. I'll also share this in the Telegram group chat as well. I'll share this trade and the Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. This is the trade I would be taking on Ethereum, but I already have a trade open. Let's check out Dogecoin next. Dogecoin, which I already have that trade already set. The target, this is the Dogecoin trade that I talked about, which is already massively in the profits. This is the one I shared in my Telegram group. The target is now 68 cents. And if you follow that Telegram group Doge trade, it's up now. I used, for that Doge trade, I used $195, and it's $342 in the profits already, 175%, which is beautiful. Those are my trades on Ethereum, on Dogecoin, and on Bitcoin, and I hope you learn a lot. And make sure, again, follow the Telegram group so you can see all my live trades. I'm going to post those trades in there right now. And everyone join that Telegram group. My goal is to show you, even with small amounts, $100, $200, how to make thousands of dollars every day. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And if you have a good trading story, have you made trades with me? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget, every time you comment down below, 5 winners are chosen every month, $1,000 given away every month. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I'll probably go live later tonight as well, so check that out. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.